Welcome to the Sparsity Nova platform introduction. At the intersection of Web3 and AI, trust is the most critical issue. How do you convince users that your AI agents won't leak their privacy? How do DeFi protocols trust that your Oracle data is authentic? The answer is Trusted Execution Environment, or TEE. And AWS Nitro Enclave is one of the most mature enterprise-grade TEE solutions. But the TEE itself has security challenges. Blockchain provides a decentralized, tamper-proof verification layer, enabling public audit of attestation results and establishing trustless verification without relying solely on the hardware vendor. Combining TEE with blockchain can address these issues. Nova platform is built on this TEE plus blockchain synergy. Deploying to Nitro Enclaves is incredibly complex. Nova platform was built to solve this problem, enable developers to deploy any containerized application to AWS Nitro Enclave in minutes with publicly verifiable on-chip proofs. This is Nova's complete deployment flow, from source to build, to sign, to deploy, then attest and verify. Now let's demonstrate how to deploy an application on Nova with a real example. Click Create New App. In the app information section, we enter the app name as Secured Chatbot and add a description, a secured AI chatbot running inside the TEE. In the repository section, we enter the repo URL. The system automatically downloads the repo and lists all available directories. We select the Secure Chatbot directory, and the system reads the listening port from Enclave YAML. In advanced settings, you will notice two important options that are enabled by default: on-chain registration to register your enclave on the blockchain, and ZK verification to generate zero-knowledge proofs. Click Create App, and the app is created. Next, let's create a build. In the Build channel, click New Build. Enter the build parameters, select Git ref such as the main branch, and enter version number like 1.0.0. Click Trigger Build. The complete build process right here. Everything is happening publicly for everyone to audit. After the build completes, click to expand the build details. You can see the container image with its stock file image URI and digest. In the security and attestation section, you will see the PCR0, PCR1, PCR2, cryptographic measurements of the enclave image. Now let's deploy. Select a complete build and click Deploy this build. After confirming, deployment begins. You can monitor the status in deployment information in real time, watching its progress from pending to pulling, then starting, and finally running. Click on the app frontend URL to open the secured chatbot frontend. This is a fully functional AI chatbot running inside the Nitro Enclave. Type a message and send it. You will receive an AI-generated response, just like any other chatbot. But here is what makes it special. Notice the Verify button next to each conversation. Click it to open the full verification dialog. This dialog shows you the complete cryptographic proof chain for this conversation. You can see the original request, the encrypted payload sent to the enclave, the response, and most importantly, the digital signature generated by the enclave's private key. The enclave's public key is registered on-chain, so anyone can verify that this response was produced by the TEE and has not been tampered with. And this is the power of verified AI. Every response is cryptographically signed and publicly verifiable. Nova also provides the App Explorer, a public on-chain application browser. Let's click on an application to see the detail page. And this is the most important part, attestation and verification. First, let's look at the build attestation. This block demonstrates the trustworthiness of the build. Now, let's look at runtime attestation. This is the attestation generated by AWS Nitro Enclave at runtime. These two layers of verification ensure builds are transparent and the execution is trustworthy. In one word, Nova platform is the platform for developers to build and deploy AWS Nitro Enclave applications. Whether you are building a private AI agents, verifiable oracles, Nova lets you to focus on business logic, not infrastructure. We look forward to seeing what you build on Nova.